I'm going to teach you how to get custom thumbnails for your UEFN projects. This is going to help improve your aesthetics and improve organization. You can find your projects without having to read all the names. You will know just by looking at the photo. You can see I've got premium pin code here that I made on my Patreon. We're going to go ahead and replicate this with our daily reward project. So we're going to just start off by opening our daily reward project so we can take a screenshot in there. Great, so now we're in here. I'm going to quickly go take a screenshot of this because this is the thing that I want to use as my thumbnail. So as soon as this texture loads. So I've got the screenshot that I want. I'm going to open a website called Photopea. You can see we got Photopea open now. I'm just going to go ahead and create a 192 by 192. I think you can put any image and any texture size, but I recommend just copy me. It's nice and lightweight. So we're going to drag this in, put this about the size we want it. That works for us. I of course know what this is now just from this. So let's go and export this as a PNG. And we're going to name it with, we're just going to call this one YouTube video. Call it whatever you want. I think it's case sensitive. So make sure you're copying this all correct. Cool, let's go and go into all of our content browser. This is just so you don't have to look through your Fortnite projects. But you're going to press show in Explorer. And we're going to go backwards a folder. So we're going to go out of content into our project name. And in here, we're going to go paste that image. So let's get the image. Our image was called YT video, obviously whatever you called it. Then let's just copy this, and inside of our UEFN project, open this up with Notepad or whatever you want to open it with. So we're going to go find key art. We're going to type in or paste in our file name, and then we're going to do .png. Then just save this. And just close that. Close everything. Now let's see if it's updated there, and we can see we now have a custom thumbnail. If this was helpful to you guys, you can always go ahead and subscribe, join my Discord, and buy any of my Patreon assets. I have stuff like pin codes, daily rewards, loads of cool stuff. So that helps me out. I have a Ko-fi as well. I'd prefer you brought something instead of donated it, but yeah, have a good one, guys.